This is the moment of truth. A ball, a loop, gravity pulling it down. Will it make it all the way around? Or will it fall off at the top? The answer depends on one thing: speed. And today, science wins. When the ball starts high on the track, gravity pulls it down the slope. As it rolls, potential energy transforms into kinetic energy, making the ball move faster and faster. The higher the starting point, the more speed it gains. And that speed is the key to completing the loop. As the ball enters the loop, another important force takes over: centripetal force. This is the inward force that keeps an object moving in a circular path instead of flying straight. At the very top of the loop, the ball must still be moving fast enough. If its speed is high enough, centripetal force keeps it pressed against the track, and gravity helps pull it inward. But if the ball slows down too much, gravity wins. The ball loses contact with the track and falls. That's why there's a minimum speed needed at the top of every loop. Start too low, and the ball won't make it. Start from the right height, and it races through the loop smoothly every single time. This same principle powers roller coasters, stunt bikes, and even aircraft performing loops. Enough speed plus centripetal force turns what looks impossible into something completely predictable. So the next time you see a perfect loop, remember, it isn't just about courage. It's about physics. Precise, powerful, and absolutely thrilling. And the best part? At Ratnanidhi Charitable Trust, we bring exactly this kind of science to life, hands-on, visual, joyful, and completely free for schools across Mumbai. If you want your students to experience the wonder of science this way, write to us at info@ratnanidhi.org or WhatsApp us at 7498989292. Because every child deserves to fall in love with science. We are Ratnanidhi, and this is what we do.